Hello everyone, today we are going to learn Mathematics Year 1 and the topic is measurement. The content standard is relative units to measure length. By the end of this lesson, pupils will be able to use and vary the vocabulary in the context of length. Measure length using non-standard units. Compare the length of two or more objects using non-standard units. Pupils, today we will learn about length. Let's start our learning with various vocabulary which involves units of length. Recognize lengths of object. Look at the picture. The children are making the kites. The girl says, "We use one short bamboo and one long bamboo." Look at this. The long bamboo and the short bamboo. Long, short. Look at the children. They are playing with the kites. The girl kites fly high and the boy kite flies low. High, low. Look at the pinang tree. The pinang tree is tall. The palm tree is short. Tall, short. Look at this picture. The girls who are playing with the skipping rope. They are near from the tree, while the children who are jogging, they are far from the tree. Near, far. Look at this. Circle which one is taller between the giraffe and the hippopotamus. The taller is giraffe. Which one is longer between two snakes here? The longer is the first one. Okay. Look at this. Circle the shorter objects between two flags here. This one is shorter. And look at the buildings. This is shorter than this one. Look at this. Circle the child which is far from the tree. The child which is far from the tree is the girl. There. Let us compare. Look at the children. They are playing in the train. This is the coach and these are the locomotive A, B, C, D and E. Look at question A. The coach which is the nearest to the locomotive is, look at the nearest locomotive is A. A. The coach which is the farthest from the locomotive. From the locomotive, the coach which is the farthest is E. Coach, what is the longest? Longest. Look at this, longest. Coach E is the longest. Coach, what is the shortest? Shortest. Coach C is the shortest. Coach what is the highest? Highest. So, coach D is the highest. Coach what is the lowest? Lowest. Coach B is the lowest. Now we are comparing the length of object. Look at this. The length of the colored pencil is equal to 4 erasers. Erasers. We are using eraser as a non-standard unit. So, compared to the watch, the length of the watch is equal to 7 erasers. 4 and 7. So, we can say that the watch is longer than the colored pencil. Or, the other way, we can say that the colored pencil is shorter than the watch. Compare the lengths of objects using non-standard units. The non-standard units used here is paper clips. Look at the ruler. The length of the ruler is equal to 5 paper clips. The length of the pen is equal to 3 paper clips, and the length of a pair of scissors is equal to 4 paper clips. From this, we can say that a ruler is longer than a pair of scissors, and a pen is shorter than a pair of scissors. Handspan. What is the meaning of handspan? A handspan is between the tip of your thumb and little finger wide apart. Look at this, one handspan. Kashwini. This is Kashwini. The width of the table is about 5 handspans. It means Kashwini handspan. Then Amni measures the width of the same table, 6 handspans. Why is her measurement is different from Kashwini? This is because Amni handspan is shorter than Kashwini handspan. That's why her measurement is different from Kashwini. Step. A step is the space between your right and left legs as you make a movement from here to here. One step. This is Adli. Look at this. The length of the mat is about 4 steps. It means Adli, 4 Adli steps. Arm span. What is the meaning of arm span? An arm span is the length between the tip of your right hand and the tip of your left hand wide apart. The boy says, I measure the length of the whiteboard using arm spans. Okay, arm spans is non-standard unit. Look at this one arm span. The length of the whiteboard is about how many arm span? 1, 2, 3. The length of the whiteboard is about 3 arm span. Decide how to measure these objects. Class, we have learned how to measure any objects given using non-standard units. For this writing board, we can use arm span to measure it. For this chair, we can use handspan. And for the pencil case, we can use objects like erasers or paper clips to measure it. Look at number 2. Complete this. The food container, the hamper, the drinking bottle, and the drinking container. Behind them, there are the tiles. So, the height of food container is equal to how many tiles? Let us count together. 1, 2, 3. 3 tiles. The height of hamper is the same as how many tiles height? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 tiles height. So the food container is taller than the drinking bottle. And the food container is the same tall as a drinking container. That's all for today. Thank you, class.